Hello!
Hi!
Welcome to my YouTube channel. It's been a long time since I filmed a video.
It's been like 2 years.
Actually, it's been 4. I looked at it the other day.
I was trying to give you some props on there.
It's been 4 years. But we're back. We're bored. We're in quarantine.
For 17 days now.
Oh, I lost track. But anyway, so today we're going to let my brother do my makeup.
You never introduced me. You never introduced me.
This is Manny. This is Manny. This is Luna. I don't know if you can see her. You probably see her, but...
She's a bum.
She's a bum. But she'll probably bother us at some point. But, so yeah, he's going to do my makeup. I told him he has to try, or else I will never allow him on my YouTube channel ever again.
That's okay.
Nope. Yeah, so I think we're just going to go ahead and get started. He has no idea how to do makeup, so this will be fun. And especially, I'm kind of pissed at him because I do my makeup religiously. Okay? Okay?
Do I pay attention? No.
Exactly. That's why I'm pissed.
Why would you be pissed?
Brian knows. Man, maybe not actually.
Yeah, guys don't put on makeup. Jesus.
Nah, you should know. But anyway, it's fine. So we're going to get started. He has a huge pile of makeup right next to him. So he's just going to kind of go with his intuition and see what we need for my face.
Why is there 30 different brown things?
I'll give you a hint.
No, I know what goes first. Foundation.
No, that's incorrect.
Huh?
Read things. You have to read.
I am reading things. What the hell is a banana bright face primer?
What do you think a primer does? When you paint a wall...
you prime. This goes first.
Okay.
Is there any more primer? There's so much concealer here. There's 3 different things of foundation.
That's foundation. This is concealer. There's a difference.
What? Oh.
There's another primer in there too.
I'm guessing they're in like these kind of things.
But you don't have to use everything here.
I would assume there's like, what is this?
Highlighter.
What the hell's...
You know what highlighter is? That's my favorite thing in the world.
Okay, how do I do this?
Just take it off. Just pull it. Show them what you have.
It's called Ole Henriksen.
Ulla Henriksen.
Ulla Henriksen Truth Banana Bright Face Primer.
I don't know if this will be...
It's kind of crusty because, you know, she's not clean.
I use it literally every day.
You can clean them.
Okay. Do it on my face.
Okay, do I have to use these things?
No, you don't.
Okay, I use my fingers.
Oh, I forgot to grab your brushes. We'll grab... They're up there, though, but it's okay. You can use your finger.
I didn't really wash my hands before this.
Dude! If I break out.
On your chin.
No. Okay.
You just made me mess it up. Now I have to add this too.
Should the next video be me doing his makeup?
No.
I told Brian I was gonna do that. He said no.
Get to 1,000 subscribers and we'll talk.
Okay. Okay. Y'all heard that. 1,000. We can do this.
Which one?
Is this blended?
I don't know. Alright, I know you have to use these things.
Yes. Good job.
Do I put it on here?
It's up to you.
Okay. I don't know if that needs enough, but... You're lucky Nisha taught me how to do this.
This is incorrect. Nisha!
I didn't pay attention to what she was doing. I think she was dabbing.
There you go. That's correct.
I don't know. I used my finger last time.
What? For foundation?
Yeah.
I guess that's fine. Did you cover my pimples?
Oh, do you need me to cover your pimples? Is that what foundation's for?
What?
I'm not gonna be able to put that thing where girls put that on their eyelids.
That's eyeshadow.
The thing that goes in here on their eyelashes.
Oh, mascara?
No, it's not mascara. It's that line thing. I don't know.
Eyeliner.
It's the marker.
That's eyeliner.
How am I supposed to know?
You said you were gonna do eyeliner.
Hopefully I don't stab your eye. She said, I'm breaking out. That's powder? Okay, this is Fenty Beauty powder. I'm pretty sure this is by Rihanna.
Mm-hmm.
This is too much. Oops. Oh, you're gonna look crusty, dude. Your skin looks suede now.
Suede? That's not a bad thing.
No, like suede leather.
Oh, it looks dry?
I don't know, just look like my shoes. Do I need to put more? Oh, there's a hair on your lip. I think I should put foundation on it. It's okay. I'm done. I'm guessing next thing you do is highlighter.
That's a lot.
That wasn't a lot. There's nothing. Luna, quit. Are you gonna eat? Take one. She's gonna take one of the brushes.
Don't forget to do my eyebrows, please.
I'll do your under eyes because you got some bags.
Under eyes highlighter. I'm trying to make you put it in the right place.
I think we're done with that.
Okay.
Clean that too.
Primer for your eyelashes.
What?
Don't you think eyeshadow should go before eyeliner?
No.
Okay.
It makes sense to go the other way around.
No, but okay.
Yes, it does.
That's fine, do you. Please don't poke me.
I'll try not to. I think I start here. I don't have surgeon hands.
Wait.
It's already cut.
I don't want to laugh because this will hurt.
Hold on. Keep your eyes closed. Luna, don't move.
Sit down. Sit
This
down.
is a precise procedure that has already gone wrong.
Already.
She moved your face. It's alright, I'll work with it. Oh lord. I'm sorry. Okay. I missed the entire spot. Hold on, close your eyes.
I just feel it.
Wait, I need this side. Oops. Sorry, this on longer. Oh, you look like one of those girls in middle school trying to like first time putting on what's it called?
Where's the eyeshadow?
I don't know. I'm using Dose.
Dose of Colors.
Dose.
Desi X Katie Friendcation Palette.
Dose of Colors. It's a very nice looking box. It's got a moment, dirty money.
Okay, you don't have to tell them the whole colors.
It's make you look like a drag queen.
No.
Okay, I'll use
Something
this.
natural. Thank you.
What color is this? I think it's churro. It doesn't do much, but it looks the same. Now I see why you wanted to do that afterwards.
Yeah.
So you put it on the under eyes too?
Sometimes.
You got bags, so maybe.
You didn't put concealer on.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't. You put foundation.
Oh. Is that what it's supposed to do?
That's what concealer does.
Move your right eye. What happened to that sparkly stuff that you put on here?
Yeah, I know. Why in my crease?
This is the girl right here.
Oh! Just keep going.
I am sorry beforehand. That's a lot.
Snatch the nose.
You gotta cover those bags. Put it here too, because you have a wide head. What about here?
Okay, wherever you want. You gotta try.
I am trying. I don't know what I'm doing. She's observing. You know, hiding these bags is harder than I thought.
Yeah, because you didn't use concealer.
I have no idea what it means. No, it's supposed to conceal your bags. I get it.
Blush?
What the hell is blush?
That shiny gold thing.
This.
No, that's not blush. That's lip products. The shiny gold box.
Oh no, this is such an aesthetically pleasing box.
It's Patrick Ta.
It's Patrick Ta blush. And it's pink. It's velvet. Okay.
Y'all see the size of brushies.
Fine, I'll use a bigger one. This one looks pink. The LC's rubbing off.
LC. PT. Patrick Ta.
This looks like an LC.
That's backwards.
That is the ugliest.
LC. Uh-oh.
This doesn't look like a.
It doesn't matter. Don't be so upset.
Now,
You heard it here first.
His box design is pretty nice, but you know, not the logo design.
Are you done?
I think.
What about the lips?
There's lips that go on this?
No! I need something on my lips.
I know, they look dry as hell. What is this? Liquid?
It's red lipstick.
That's not liquid lipsticks. This is like lip gloss.
That's not lip gloss.
If it has a thing in it, it's lip gloss.
Can you sit down? You look pretty, thank you.
Is there like a primer thing that you have to put on lipstick?
No. You can just pick one and go.
Well, we're going natural.
Okay.
Let's go with some contrast. Do you have black?
What? On my lips?
No, I don't want this. Let's make it. Here, Latina. Let's make it red. Just see her in the right behind in the middle of my face. I think I'm better at putting lipstick on the eyeliner. Maybe because I don't care if I get it in your mouth. Oops. I'm sorry. No, I'm gonna do the next one.
Oh no, I don't want to ruin it completely. And you're gonna hurt me.
I'm not gonna hurt anything.
You are. I don't even have eyelashes.
It's not my fault you don't. Blame mommy and papi. I have eyelashes. Whoa, that made such a difference. I give you instant eyelashes. Do you put them on the bottom too?
You don't have to. I don't normally.
I accidentally got it.
And don't touch it yet. Let it dry, because then you're gonna make a mess.
You have one eyelash like really close.
That's the eyelash extension.
You have extensions on?
Not anymore.
Then
It
why?
fell off. Only one is left.
On both sides.
Yes, I know.
It's really weird. Looks like a horn. Damn, now I know why girls have globby eyes. It's like, can I just pull it off?
No, I've been trying.
You've been trying.
Yes. Oh, God.
Okay, I think you're good.
That's it? You're done?
I don't know. Let's get the bottom one too.
No. That's it? Makeup complete?
I didn't think so. You got it all over my freaking hand. I don't know how.
How do I look?
I can't even lie to you.
Can I see the mirror?
Yeah, hold on. What?
Over there, give me the mirror, bitch.
An artiste.
It's not that bad.
I know it's not.
The eyeliner's awful,
I know.
but the skin is not that bad. What happened to the lip?
Yeah, I slipped. What are you looking for, dude?
The mascara's not. The shadow's not bad. At all.
I know. Your brother is great.
And you actually didn't do too bad on this, the contour and the highlight. It's not so bad. I just wish I had concealer on and some.
I don't know what that means, but okay.
Thanks for watching our video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. It was kind of fun. Did you like it?
It was okay.
What? You made this beauty. Yeah, so thanks for watching. we'll see you next time. Maybe next time I'll do his makeup.
No.